Tuffplast Pune are the pioneers in manufacturing of molded products used in various engineering industries since past more than 30 years. Timing pulleys, gears, planetary gearbox and other specialty products are made from excellent quality of raw material from DuPont and DSM. These products can easily be used in place of its metallic counterparts. With in-house toolroom facility available, the necessary molds are made by our expert team to its perfect precision. Tuff timer pulleys are available in a wide range of pitch as per the customer's specific needs. Free from jerks and vibrations, Tuff timer pulleys are light in weight with exceptional inertia control. These timer pulleys are widely used in textile winders and 2-for-1 twisting machines in addition to SPMs by our reputed customers. Our gear pumps are made with high-class stainless steel body and are used in packaging industries for milk, tomato puree and specific chemicals with utmost accuracy. The gears used in our pumps are made from food-grade special engineering plastics. Molding process is carried on with the use of world-famous machines by a skilled workforce. With ISO 9000:2015 certification, every part is checked as per its specification before it is packed. We are proud to serve our esteemed clients with prompt and efficient service along with technical guidance for selecting the right material. Our contact details are